Well, I'm waiting for my Grab, and today is the Monday, what is that? The 18th of December, 2023. I'm actually heading out to the hospital. Well, what am I going to do at the hospital? I'm actually taking the A1 license medical test. So, taking a Grab to the hospital. That's where they do it. The traffic hospital, supposedly. And then we'll see what happens. Waiting for my Grab. Should be here in a couple minutes. On our way there now. Familiar scene here. Walk up and down the street many times.
Tục đi 1 km, sau đó vào công trường dân chủ và đi theo lối ra thứ ba. Tiếp tục đi thẳng ở đèn giao thông này. Tiếp tục đi thẳng ở đèn giao thông này. Tiếp tục đi thẳng ở đèn giao thông đầu tiên, sau đó đi thêm 200 mét nữa vào vòng xoay.
Got here right on time. Looks like this is where I'm supposed to fill probably some form. So gotta wait for Boo to get here. There's an open air section right here for motorbike parking. So just gotta wait for my agent to get here. Yes. We are done. It was actually pretty quick and easy, other than, you know, drug tests, you gotta pee, and sometimes you can't, it takes a while. Anyway, we are good to go, so heading back to the hotel, we need to check out. So I think I should cross the street to this Hao Mong Guang, and then book a Grab from there. Back to the hotel I go. Everything was good. This is what it looks like. 136 Kambendagua, and it was actually very efficient. People there work very well, and people that run the test actually spoke English, except all the signage are not, so that's the problem. But if you got someone to guide you, it's not a problem. Just waiting for the Grab. Lots of traffic in the morning, all kind of traffic. I mean, you got push carts, you got motorbike without anything, and nice Mercedes Benz. Lots of courier shipping kind of a place. And I am looking for a brown Honda City that should be coming around the corner. But in the meantime, enjoy the traffic. Should be here in a couple of minutes. Grandma. I think that might be it. Alrighty. I am. So our next hotel is called the Jovia Hotel. And we stayed here 5 years ago. At that time, it was Jovial with an L. So this is just down the street, like less than a block from where we were staying at GK Central. So it's not time to check in yet. It's only a little past 11. Check-in is 2, so we'll go find some place to eat and then hang out at a coffee shop for a little bit, and then go check in. This hotel is supposed to have a swimming pool too. We'll see how that goes. I understand that it is an extremely small swimming pool. So we are walking to what is described as the new Japantown. Probably just a small block of shops, and Jenny wants to go and eat ramen, so that's what we will do. What Jenny wants, Jenny gets. And here it's called the General Science Library. Not exactly sure what that is. Is that really a library? Can we go in and look? So very shady road here. I think we went past this a few days ago with the bamboo and the jackfruit, if you remember, if you watched that video. And I think once past that, right before Vincom Center, is the Japantown. So we'll let you see it when we get there. There are a lot of these older architecture buildings, probably French in my limited knowledge. Probably French architecture, maybe. So looks recently well kept. So hopefully all this will go down to good history. This is actually a museum, Bảo Tàng Thành phố Hồ Chí Minh. 1978 to 2023. So this is actually a city museum. I didn't know that. I don't think we've ever been here. Well, maybe some place to explore when we have time. And here's a guy working on shoes. So if you come here, he can clean your shoes up in a jiffy. Two of them, in fact. So they hang around here. They see a tourist, grab the shoes, clean it up for them, and then expect a king's ransom. So watch out. Interesting, a bunch of tourists standing outside looking, deciding if they should go in, I guess. And look at this tree, the roots of this tree. That's pretty cool looking. Anyway, is this a Japanese garden? Huh. Very nice kept garden, except nobody here. It even have a no, this is not a real public bathroom. They say 30 meters that way for bathrooms, so it's over there. So, alrighty. Here we have took coffee, very good coffee. Came here one time earlier this year. Nobody there now because it's lunch time and not coffee time, but in the morning and afternoon it'll be pretty crowded. This place looks like it's healthy food made tasty, and lots of students here, so the prices are probably going to be good. Lots of things happening on the streets here. Motorbike going, people selling fruits here. And police looking down at me. Maybe he'll say, hey, don't record, we'll see what happens. And this guy, it's a beast of burden for sure. Well, he didn't say anything, so I guess it's okay to record. This is some kind of Thailand bistro. And what this one is over here is So Kung Tung. So I will let you know what it is once I make it up. Looks like there might be English. So Tong Tin và truyền thống. Don't know. Juice place. All right. Where is that Japantown? Oh, that Japantown where must be where Muji is. That must be like Parkson. I bet that's what it is. Alright, we'll head on over there. Alright, so we are walking by Vincom Center. And Vincom Center is a little shopping mall. Got some Highland coffee and stuff like that there. Not a whole lot to in terms of the food scene here. So we'll walk by that and look for Japantown. Hopefully we know where it is. Should be right on this street here somewhere. I see a Korean place here, Circle K, and I see Bonchon. Certainly not what I am going to have. Looks like a school. Yep. This is a school and people are hanging outside the school either for pickup or delivery. Misuwari Social Club up there. So I bet that's probably it. So we'll walk around and check it out. Lots of street action here. Well, probably not something we are going to experiment with, but looks interesting. Well, Muziwari Social Club. I see some Japanese up here, and I see some Japanese decoration way up there. So perhaps we are close by. We just have to find it. So we'll cross. And there's Took Coffee again. Oh, how about that? And this is a much bigger place. Canteen 37. Teaspoon. Okay, nothing Japanese yet. Wow, looks like something interesting is going on. Lots of people. I don't know what's going on, but people standing in line. I bet what it is people stand in line to get like free food or something like that. So we'll probably have to go around. Yeah, this is the Children's Hospital, I believe. So lots of people waiting out here. We'll check to see if we can see what's going on. Yeah, definitely giving out food here. So there's a lot of this going on in Vietnam. People that want to help out the poor, so they'll get a whole bunch of food and they'll be lining up outside hospitals, usually outside hospitals, and then they'll give out food, and because you know people can't afford food. We saw that on different blogs, but this is the first time we've seen it in real life. Well, we're at this place called Hachiban. Not exactly your Vietnamese food haven, but hey, that's it's got AC, it's in the mall, you can sit down, not a big crowd. So today we're gonna settle with that, because moving in between hotels, we have no real respite from the heat for about 3 hours. So Jenny wants to eat ramen, so we will eat ramen. We were supposed to go to the Japantown, but we just can't find it. We walked all over the place and couldn't find it. So end up here in Vincom Center, the basement, to have a bowl of ramen. So
today I will make a decision, important decision. I'll have the kimchi ramen, and Waikid is going to have the tonkatsu shoyu ramen. Because Waikid's always over-order things.
all right.
You want to save our stomach for coffee later on?
Okay,
Right?
I guess so.
All right.
Jenny's enjoying her kimchi ramen, and I am having a tonkatsu suyo ramen. The egg doesn't look right, but hey, it's for lunch, so it's okay. Total bill about, with the matcha tea, $8. You gotta love this place. This is the pink church. I think yeah, I do it here. 即係話 I don't book it across the street, so that's what happened. So now we walk down there to the Zhongyuan Coffee, and then after that we turn left and then into the street. This is one busy street right now. So now we are just heading up the street, a super busy street. Gotta watch for cross traffic and go look for food. Looks like Christmas decoration is not up yet, or that is not lighted up yet. So probably after dinner we come back here. Christmas should be up. Christmas lights. Check out the motorbike traffic, and then the bus trying to bully their way down. Whoa. 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 Well, we're gonna cross the street. We'll just cross and let the chips fall where they may. We are across the street. Such a busy street, but so easy to cross. So this is the market right across the street where we just crossed from. It's called Tandan. Sui Gao. Very old market, but this is the typical style market of days gone by. Now more and more, especially young people, don't come to this kind of market anymore. They prefer to go to the supermarket. So the business is less and less. Okay. Oh, look at this. Deep fried something going on. I think it's a banana. It's non-stop chaos here, but it's an organized chaos. I mean, you got hundreds and hundreds of motorbikes, but they keep to a certain kind of rule, and it works. Huh? No, this way. Buying some carry-out. You do it on the bike. Big old pharmacy here. They know how to move their bike. Bánh xào Muối 77. Can you believe bánh xào? Oh, these are the northern bánh xào. It's only 10,000 a piece. Wow. That actually looks pretty good. Here's a drink place. People are eating on the street here. Om tam. Nope, some nope, near 8K. This is how you do it. Train them young. This is cà bím chả. Wow, what happened? Vietnam looks like a huge store here. Where did all this motorbike come from, huh? And eggs and cakes and pastry. Pate shop. Saurine, pizza. Wow, tiramisu. They got them all. Some other kind of restaurant. Vung Quay, Thai. Bun. Tối Chicken Plus. This is fried chicken place, Vietnamese style. thái đồ. Lots of people eating bún bò Huế. Wow, this bún bò Huế looks pretty good. But I would like to have some bún riêu. I think that, this is the bún riêu place. But not as many people. I wonder why. But I think I would like some bún riêu. Well, ask Jenny. Do we have bún bò Huế or bún riêu?
Ở đây có bán bún riêu.
Yeah, let's go eat bún riêu. All right, decision has been made. We ở đây có bán bún riêu tóc, mọc giòn. Crossing the street at the corner, and then motorbike coming. Alrighty, and we are crossed. So easy to cross the street in Vietnam, and much safer. Alright, we are here for bún riêu. Today we are having bún riêu. Number one, I would suspect it is pickle, onion, and chili.
This is garlic.
Oh, garlic and chili. Number two is good stuff. And number three must be the mop. Yep.
And this one?
And over here we have more chili. And we have gumbat. So supposed to be pretty good. So we will see. Haven't had bún riêu for a long time. Except the one Jenny made. And how's the chả đá? This chả đá is chả đá. And that's everything over there. Yep. We are done. It was pretty good. And this place is getting a little bit busy here. Got both locals and tourists, looks like, and this one looks like some kind of hot pot. I guess you can have hot pot here too. Interesting. So let's go over see how it's made. Very simple. And a big pot of soup there. And that's the main thing. And then trays of vegetable, meat, and ingredients and bone. That's all you need. Alrighty, we are done. So now we'll walk around a little bit and maybe look for some dessert. Hopefully we'll find some. Actually on the way in here we find, look at this, people training. People doing some kind of training while we are eating. So, obvious tourists. This bún bò is very, very crowded on a Monday night. Looks like that's another option we could come and eat here too. Bún bò Huế, sir. And then bánh xôi đặc sản. Got a lot of people here too. On a Monday night, it's not bad. It's not packed, but it's not deserted either. Unlike some places in Vũng Tàu, where during the weekday it's basically practically nobody, and then on the weekend it's a little bit better. So I think this kind of concludes our food adventure for the night, unless we find something special. Oh, this is pho Vietnam. We're not gonna eat pho Vietnam because pho is just not a big thing here. We'll eat it once in a while when it's convenient, but we won't go seek out pho. Cut me off. Coffee, milk tea, and more. Nope. Oh, this is Kwan Gate. We came here for lunch one time, and whatever you order, they cook it right away. Well, it's not bad. It was pretty good. It looks like they got some kind of food truck too. And next we have this place that we came here. It's the Mei Guang, and it was actually very nicely done. It's just that Mei Guang is not our favorite thing, so we don't eat it very often. Eat it only on special, auspicious moments. Mommy picking up the son. This is a street food here for sure. Yeah? Okay, so we're gonna cross the street here. This is alright, ready? Let's go. Not too bad. This bánh xèo actually looks very good. Well, gotta save it for another day, I guess. Side of the street. Bánh tráng nướng. This one is drinks. Alrighty, we're back out here. Oh, this is another Hoi An kind of place. Alright, back to Hai Ba Chang. Talk to you later. Fried potato tower here. Fried food. Looks delicious, but not something that I will be eating here anytime soon. Jia Zhen, Ya Thai. Don't know what that means. Some kind of lemon tea. Yaji 10K. And then we have takoyaki. And this is Ba Lao Bo. Takoyaki doing good business. Bánh Yao Bo Hop. Wow. Got squid, got chicken, got pigs here.
Where you from?
America.
America.
Yeah.
YouTuber.
Yeah, just yes, that's what I do.
Okay.
Just checking out the food. Looks very good.
Yeah. Thank you.
Wow, this looks like Pharmacy City, Pharmacy Street. This is pharmacy here. Pharmacy here, pharmacy, and right here is another pharmacy. So, wow. Don't know what the deal is. Why all? And you can see the neon light down further. We'll probably go back to go to the church, see if the lights on. And I don't know why so many pharmacy in one place. Nhà thức tiện lợi, nhà thức lòng chào, nhà thức mình chào, and nhà thức nghỉ chung ba, and then nhà thức chung. Oh, that one's same one, but just across the street. Điểm chung. Wow. I am just fascinated by the motorbike. So this morning when I went to get my medical exam, it consists of eye exam, urine test, drug test, some kind of a hand dexterity test which lasted all of 5 seconds. And he asked, well, do you have all your toes? I say, yeah. He checked it off. And then someone else that listened to your heart, make sure that you don't have a, I'm not sure. I mean, she got a stethoscope, listened to my heart, say, are you on medication? Do you have any serious illness? And that's it. So I passed, even though the drug test took a while because, well, that's how it goes. If you can't go, you can't go. So I think that medical exam is okay now. So the next step is to finish doing all the classes, which there are 3 more, and then some practice. See, there's another pharmacy. Lots of people working. And then take the theory test on the same day that you take your riding test. That's another pharmacy. And that's it. And hopefully if all goes well, if no unforeseen circumstances, wow, another pharmacy. Nhà thuốc Mỹ Chào. So that's like 5 or 6 together in a row. Pretty amazing. Well, if you need medication, this is the place to come. I'm sure they'll have what you want. They better have what you want. So anyway, hopefully I'll get my Vietnamese A1 license. Then I can, not that I want to drive and ride in this kind of traffic. That is insane. And probably not really enjoyable kind of experience. But certainly, once we get out of the city, rent a motorbike in a smaller town and ride around, explore, that would be kind of nice. This is the kind of U-turn you deal with here. And this is Hủ Tiếu, small cart. Oh, another pharmacy. And also lots of patronage. Alrighty, you think we have enough walking around? We're gonna walk back to our hotel. Should take us about 30 minutes or so, but I won't bore you with the walk. It'll take a long time, and I'm sure no one wants to watch that bus. Bus, and motorbike and bus. Yeah, why don't we walk back that way? Go to the church. No, go to the church, yeah. And yes, there are shops that are selling Christmassy stuff. And we are coming to the church that should have some lights and decoration for Christmas. So we're heading that way. This is obviously very popular. Crab soup. And then Vietnamese pizza. Okay, so let's walk inside so we don't get killed. We were here last year, or was it early this year when they have this up, and they had a mass going on inside and everything. It was crazy crowded. Now it's not so bad. Looks like it might be open. We should be able to go in and check it out. Lots of Chinese going on. Alright, looks like we can go in. This is the famous pink church, or Nhà thờ Thần Đình. Very nice, very pretty in the evening. And I think during the day it's actually not open. Let's see if we can go inside. Check it out a little bit. Well, it looks like there's a Christmas shop here. You can buy your stars, you can buy your Christmas deco, even rotating Christmas tree. How cool is that? And they do like the stars here. And they got stars up there on the trees. They got music going, and oh, they're actually singing. I think there's a choir practice up there that they're singing. I think that's the choir practice, huh? And then there's a huge some kind of building in the back actually. Alrighty. And this is part of a scene. It's not the nativity scene per se, I guess. There's a lot of different statues and stuff around. This is not exactly sure. Is this the nativity scene at all? Perhaps not. Don't know what the Roman soldier is doing here. And then that must be Mary and Joseph heading out. Oh, they got rejected at the inn probably, and so they gotta go. Ah, interesting. This is a pretty big church. Probably not as big as the Notre Dame downtown District 1, but big nonetheless, and very well kept with all the lights and everything. I like it. Windows are open. A nice breeze going. Lots of people walking, hanging. And there's a little courtyard, kind of a chapel thing here, I think. Interesting. Got a lot of crosses here. Lots of lights, stars, and such. Nice atmosphere. This is the other side of the church here. A little bit narrower, but very nicely decorated with lights. And as we turn the corner, we will be heading out. So pretty nice church, lots of space, and it's open. You can come in and check it out. They just say don't record inside the church, but outside no problem. Yep, this is it.